Birds beneath my window, dusty in their wings upon the lawn. I hear them in the morning light, and the last amen to a migratory song. They're never looking around for me, their eyes are on the sky, the ground below. I'd rather be the one who loves than to be loved and never even know. Hello blackbird, hello starling, winter's over, be my darling. A long time coming but now the snow is gone. A long time coming but now the snow is gone. You were beautiful when I first saw your feathers and confectionery eggs. You earthed it up and promised you the stars, but you really didn't care. I sang in exaltation, I pulled the stops, you always looked a little bored. I'm singing for the love of it, have mercy on the man who sings to be adored. Hello blackbird, hello starling, winter's over, be my darling. Long time coming but now the snow is gone. I'm underneath your window now, it's long after the birds have gone to roost. And I'm not sure if I'm singing for the love of it or for the love of you. But I've flown a long way, honey, oh, hear my confession that